Look at my babies. They're waiting on their treats. I'm gonna give them some treats. Let's go look at the eggs. See what we got. There's Mr. Rooster. Ooh, we got one hen on some eggs, two hens. Ooh, and a red one. Yeah, there's a red one. Wonder if she's gonna let me have her eggs. Very interesting. Okay, like I said, some will move, like she just moved. Some, oh, that one, that hen moved too. Now let's see if some will move and then some will peck you. You gonna see? She's gonna peck, but they don't hurt. They just scare you and make you drop. Hey, Gabe, go ahead and bring me that bread, baby. You gonna bite me again? Ooh, you got quite a few under there. You gonna let me have them? They're dirty. Hey, Gaby, just put that bread by my bucket over here. Isn't she pretty? She's being kind. She bit me one time, but... Or peck. I guess it's not really a bite. Somebody be correcting me. My goodness, girl, how many you got under there? And if I watch, usually they'll scoot them around and like nestle them back underneath them, but she's not going to. I know, I'm taking your soon-to-be babies, but be okay. Okay, so I don't know how many that was. Well, looky here. Oh, I grabbed it and it's, look at that. Not sure what's going on with that. Give that to them. So, not sure how many we got. Let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Ouch. There's a sticker or something there. Get these 3. These are dirty too. Let's see what we have over here. 3 more. Oh, I've lost count, y'all. I was counting, but let's see, 3 more. And then there was a hen on these too. I hope y'all were counting because I wasn't. There's 2 more. There's Penny. Wonder what he done with my bread. Oh, there's my bread. Oh, I almost dropped that one. And she went back. Okay. Let's give them some. I'm going to walk them out here and make them come out here because we're the grass. I want them to free range out here. Yeah, I didn't bring my tripod, so y'all won't get to see me, but that's okay. Y'all just get to see. Come here, chick, 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 chicks. Come here. Come here, chick, 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 chicks. But, hey, Penny, go on. Penny, go on. Get your bite and go on so the hens will come. Come on, chick, 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 chick. Here, chick, 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 chicks. Penny, Penny, quit eating all their food, Penny. You can have some, but you can't have it all, Penny. Hey, Penny. Hey, Penny, go, go.